Hi and welcome to 60-second face yoga. I'm going to be showing you a technique which is really good for helping to lift and firm the neck area and tone this area underneath the jaw. So you're going to place your fingers onto your collarbone, tilt your head back, and then you're just going to bring your tongue up towards the roof of the mouth repeatedly. So we're going, and you should really feel it working underneath the jaw area. We're working with strengthening and toning this muscle. And then you can just slowly come back down, and you can just finish it by just gently tapping underneath this area. This tapping just helps to firm up the jawline. It just helps stop the neck area getting saggy as well. And then you can just release your hand gently down.